Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to teach you how to log into your Instagram account from desktop. To do that, open any browser in your desktop and in web address bar type in instagram.com and hit enter. This is how Instagram homepage looks, and here are options to sign up to Instagram. So to log in, you have to scroll down on the page and there is login option in the bottom of the page. So click on login. Now in this page you have to enter your username or your phone number or email address which you use to sign up your account. So I signed up my account with my email ID. So I'll enter my email ID and password. After you entered your email ID and password, click on login. It's done. You're now logged into your Instagram account. It's very easy process. I hope you learned how to log into your Instagram account from this video. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.